Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Google Forms need permission issue so your respondents can access and fill out your form without any problems. Let's say you created a Google form and shared it with respondents, but they are unable to open or fill it out because it says they need permission. To fix this issue, first open the Google form that you created. Once the form is open, click on Settings at the top of the form. Then go to the Responses section and scroll down until you find the option that says Require Sign-in. You will see an option that says something like Restrict to users in your organization and its trusted organizations. If this option is turned on, it limits access to only people using email accounts from that specific organization. To allow anyone with the link to access the form, simply turn this option off. After that, go back to your form and click on Send. Click on the link icon and copy the form link. Share the updated link with your respondents. To test it, paste the link into a new browser tab and press Enter. You should now see that the form opens without requiring special permission. That's the solution to fixing the Google Forms permission issue. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.